Hey beauty, so I'm finally back with another video, and today I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create this cute and versatile style that you can easily transform into a couple other hairstyles so you can rock it just about anywhere, whether it's school, a party, or even pull it up for work. I'm also going to be trying out the new Camille Lavender collection, so I'll give y'all a quick rundown on the products and let y'all know if they're a hit or miss. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so starting off, I washed my hair with the Fresh Cleanse, which is the shampoo from the line, and let me just say that all the products except the deep conditioner remind me of like a bakery. They just have a nice, sweet, pleasant smell, like cupcakes and frosting, which honestly, it threw me for a loop because I was expecting them to have more of a lavender scent, but believe me, I am not complaining because they smell really, really good. But back to the shampoo, it lathered up really easily, which y'all should know by now I love, and it did a great job in cleansing my hair. And it was really moisturizing, and personally this is one of the most moisturizing shampoos I've used, so I was definitely impressed. So after I cleansed my hair, I followed up with the Quench deep conditioner, which isn't as thick as some of the deep conditioners I'm used to using. It has more of a smooth and creamy texture, kind of similar to conditioners, but just slightly thicker, if that makes sense. And I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I didn't think it was gonna do as good of a job in moisturizing my hair since it's not really the texture that I'm used to. But man, y'all, I was wrong, okay? This deep conditioner is the bomb.com. It contains argan oil, so it instantly gives your scalp a nice tingling sensation, which I really enjoyed, and it has great slip to aid with detangling. So I let that sit for about 10 minutes or so before rinsing it out, and baby, let me tell y'all, this is by far one of the most moisturizing duos I've used, period. Okay, like I can't explain how moisturized my hair was. It just felt like just so soft and fluffy. I mean, think of the softest bunny rabbit that you could touch. I know, weird analogy, but the point is, y'all, this wash day duo left my hair feeling amazing. I mean, I even let my hair dry without putting anything in it right after because I was twisting the sides, and it still felt soft and moisturized, which is really rare because normally if I don't put anything in my hair like right after, you know, I get out the shower, it just kind of feels like dry grass a little bit. But I definitely would recommend y'all to try this duo out ASAP because it's amazing. Okay, so to create the style, you want to part off the front section of your hair behind or around your ear area. Now, it's okay if it's not completely straight since you won't be seeing the part, but just try to make it as even as possible though. Next, create a section in the middle, kind of in between or at the start of your eyebrows, so that you now have 3 sections of hair parted off in the front. Then you're going to either braid or twist the sides up, or if you don't know how to do either, you can always just smooth those sections back and maybe hold them with a small hair tie. But I went ahead and I flat twisted mine up by taking a little of the hair spritzer, leave-in, and the gel to moisturize the hair and keep the flyaways down. Now, if you don't know how to flat twist, I will link a more detailed how to flat twist tutorial down below. That way you can go ahead and watch that and you can practice. And be sure to practice doing different flat twists in different areas of your scalp. That way you can kind of get used to the different hand placements. And then once you get used to that, you can create different styles with mini twists, which is basically the same thing. It's the same movement, it's just going to be smaller twists. But basically you just start off with a small section in the front, then you split that section in 2 and you twist, then you continue adding hair to one of the sections, and then you just use a rubber band to hold it in place. So once you complete twisting both sides, your hair should look a little something like this, and you're going to define your curls with your normal curly hair routine right after. So to define my curls, I went ahead and I dampened small sections with a little bit of water and some of the shaken hair spritzer. So this product is a conditioning, hair refreshing, and detangling spray, and it has mad slip, y'all, like to the point where it feels a little greasy. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little worried my hair was gonna come out feeling nasty and greasy, but in the contrary, y'all, it's like my hair just soaked it right up. Now, I personally don't use too many detangling sprays because y'all know I don't really have a hard time detangling my hair, but I think this is a good option for those of you that do like using detangling sprays because, like I said, it does have a lot of great slip. After I applied the spray, I applied the whipped cream leave-in, which also has really good slip. Then I followed up with the Crush Defining Gel, which I would describe as being a light to medium hold gel. Then I brushed my hair with the Demon brush and I scrunched the section to define my curls. And then I just repeated those same steps throughout my entire head, including the middle section that we had parted off in the beginning. So after you finish defining your curls, you can either air dry or you can diffuse. I chose to diffuse, alternating between a high heat setting and the cold shot button. And after my hair was fully dry, I was in love with the results, y'all. Like the shine, definition, moisture from the products was on another level. Like I was thoroughly impressed, and I really was not expecting that at all, considering how I mentioned my hair was feeling a little greasy during the application process. But like I said, my hair just kind of absorbed it all right up, and it was feeling really moisturized. It didn't feel greasy or crunchy at all. There was absolutely zero flaking from the gel, and I did apply a lot to each section. And actually there really wasn't any kind of cast with these products, which I occasionally have from even using too much of or a lot of a curl cream. So I was really impressed by that as well. And like I mentioned, the gel has more of a light to medium hold, so I'm not really sure how it would hold up in a humid area, but I live in a dry area, so I didn't really have an issue with my hair frizzing up and whatnot. Okay, so to create the styles, you're gonna need a couple of bobby pins and some hair ties. So you can apply a little bit more product on the middle section to smooth down any flyaways. Then you're gonna create a pompadour. So there are several ways you can create a pompadour, but a quick and simple way is to just pull your hair back and just kind of twist it at the base. Then you're gonna push the section forward to create a little hump. And then you just make the pompadour as big as you please. The way my forehead is set up, y'all, I cannot afford to make this thing any bigger. So I stuck with a mini pompadour, then I just used some bobby pins to hold it in place. Next, you're going to take the pieces from the twisted side section and cross it over to the other side, and then you're going to pin that in place. Now you could easily just pull the side sections back and gather it into a half up ponytail if you'd like, but in my opinion that just kind of flattens the look out a bit from the front, whereas pinning it over will flare out your curls a bit more, if that makes sense. So just repeat the same step on the other side, and then you fluff your curls out a bit and your look is basically complete. You have an edgy half up half down look that you can rock anywhere if you want to amp up your look from your normal wash and go. Now, if you prefer to wear your hair up and out of your face, you can always just pull your whole hair into a high ponytail, so you'll still have your twist and pompadour to add some creativity to a basic curly ponytail. So it'd be perfect for a party, concert, or whatever. Another thing you can do if you prefer wearing your hair up, or say the weather isn't working in your favor, is create a messy curly bun by halfway pulling your hair through the hair tie and then leaving some stray curls popping out on the top. Now the thing about the messy curly bun is that it doesn't have to be perfect and it never looks the same, so you just play around with it a little bit until you create one that works best for you. Last but not least, you can always just create a faux sock bun by twisting and wrapping your hair around the base of the ponytail. You can wrap it tight or loose depending on how you like to wear your buns, but I wrap it loosely to create a bigger looking textured bun. Then I just secure it in place with some bobby pins, and this could be the perfect look to wear to work. It's classy and edgy at the same time, and then you can just wrap a scarf on your hair at night to maintain the twist and to keep them from getting frizzy, so you have a cute protective style you can rock for the week. Well, I hope you beauties found this video helpful. Comment below and let me know know which look is your favorite and more your style. I honestly hate having my hair down, so the ponytail or buns are my favorites. Let me know if you've tried any of the products from the new Camille Rose Lavender collection below and your thoughts on them, or let me know which product caught your eye the most. Y'all have to for sure try that shampoo and conditioner, y'all. Like, I'm telling you, you will not be disappointed, okay? Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up so more people can find it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more curly hair videos. And let me know if you're someone who rocks a typical wash and go or twist out, or let me know if you guys want to see some more edgy curly hairstyles so I can be sure to upload some more. But thank you guys so much for watching.